Plant FAQs. Tillandsia albertiana. Tillandsia albertiana, the air plant with the red-hot bloom. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm obsessed with air plants. They're like living sculptures, these quirky botanical wonders that thrive without soil. And among them, the Tillandsia albertiana holds a special place in my heart. Let's delve into this unique air plant, answering your burning questions. See more 690 species in genus Tillandsia air plants at monsteraholic.com. What's so special about Tillandsia albertiana? First and foremost, the flower. Unlike most Tillandsias that boast fleeting blooms, Albertiana explodes with a vibrant red, three-petaled flower that can last a glorious week. It's a showstopper, a fiery contrast against its slender green leaves. Where does this beauty come from? This Argentinian native hails from the Salta province, clinging to cliff sides in damp, shaded areas. It thrives in cool, humid environments, a far cry from the scorching deserts some air plants call home. Is Tillandsia albertiana easy to care for? Absolutely. This is a fantastic plant for beginners. It tolerates dry spells well, but thrives with regular misting or soaking sessions. Think of it as a low-maintenance pet that rewards you with a dazzling display. How big does Tillandsia albertiana get? Imagine a charming miniature. The plant itself grows to a compact 2 to 6 inches tall, forming attractive clumps over time. The leaves, smooth and green, reach around 3 inches in length, making it a perfect fit for terrariums or decorative mounts. Light requirements: sun or shade. Albertiana prefers bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through leaves. Avoid harsh midday sun, as it can scorch the leaves. How often should I mist my Tillandsia albertiana? Aim for misting or soaking your albertiana 2 to 3 times a week, allowing it to dry completely within 6 to 8 hours. Monthly deep soaks for 3 to 4 hours are beneficial, mimicking its natural habitat. Remember, good air circulation is key to prevent rot. How does Tillandsia albertiana differ from other air plants? While most Tillandsias boast silvery leaves to maximize water absorption, Albertiana's smooth green leaves signal its preference for shadier environments. And of course, the red flower is a unique feature that sets it apart. Can Tillandsia albertiana live outdoors? Yes, but with caution. In warm climates with high humidity, it can thrive outdoors in a shaded location. However, for most regions, it's best enjoyed indoors where you can control the environment. Tillandsia ionantha versus Tillandsia albertiana. What's the difference? Tillandsia ionantha, another popular air plant, is known for its silvery leaves and vibrant pink or purple blooms. It's a sun-loving species that requires more frequent watering than Albertiana. Albertiana, with its red flower and preference for shade, offers a distinct alternative. Tillandsia albertiana versus Tillandsia cyanea, similarities and contrasts. Tillandsia cyanea boasts stunning blue flowers, a stark contrast to Albertiana's fiery red. Both prefer bright, indirect light, but differ in watering needs. Cyanea requires more frequent watering than Albertiana. Where can I buy Tillandsia albertiana? Many online retailers and specialty air plant shops offer Tillandsia albertiana. Look for reputable sellers with healthy plants. Final thoughts: why choose Tillandsia albertiana? With its easy care, captivating red bloom, and compact size, Tillandsia albertiana is a fantastic choice for air plant enthusiasts. It adds a touch of the exotic to any indoor space and rewards you with a long-lasting floral display. So, why not give this Argentinian beauty a try? With a little TLC, you'll be enjoying its vibrant charm for years to come.